How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be removing this old aluminium sliding door with the 1/3 opening in the center there. And we're actually going to be replacing it with a 50/50 opening. So rather than having a 800 wide opening, they're going to have a bit over 1200. So a bit of an improvement. We're actually going to bring it up 100 mil as well. So this will bring it in line with the rest of the windows at the top. That's just a bit of packing that they've put in there. The lintel actually sits up a bit higher on the inside. Then we have to trim back a bit of the gyprock too with our little gyprock tool there. Works excellent. So that's the opening. Once it's all removed and the new door's coming in. It's just fixing the frame off. It's pretty solid down on the slab, so we've just left it and it was level. That's ideal. Just adding the last few screws. That's the frame installed. So now I'm finishing the outside. So I've just gone on top of the actual fly screen track. It makes it look more seamless, like one unit. And now I'm taping up for the silicon. So the reason why I tape, I've had people say in the past, I've never seen people tape up. It actually just leaves a cleaner line. I'm not a fan of smearing it halfway over the brickwork. Now we're foaming and then architraving. So we go a bit wider with our arcs just to cover any mess on the wall. Just means that they only have to paint the reveals and architraves. So this actually had a light switch inside the architrave. The way we get around that is we just pop the cover plate off, break the old arc, and then cut a new hole for it to pop straight back through. That avoids any electrical work or having to call a sparky in. Just fitting the light switch back on now. So now we're glazing. So fix is going in there now, the sash. So this is actually a smartslide system. So rather than relying on brush seals like a conventional sliding door, it's actually got a compression rubber seal. So when you pull the handle up, you can see it pulls away, and then it's got little to no friction, so it virtually will just keep sliding with little to no effort. There's the compression seal there. Pull it up and slide it across. See how I'm pushing it with my pinky there? Pulls in nice and tight. So this is the old door, and that's our new one fitted. I think this one looks way better. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.